This is a demonstration of a customised recipe system. I've just got a simple recipe loaded with 3 ingredients, and we'll run through it first with a straightforward operation with no errors. So I'm going to pick out the product by typing in the ID, and it's going to prompt us for the first item. So I'll scan that in, that's the correct information. We'll add the load on, and once it's in range then we'll press the start key to accept it. The next item again we'll scan in. Switch platforms there from platform 1 to platform 2, which is slightly coarser for the bulk ingredients. And again, when we're in range, press start to accept. Final item, we'll scan that in. Now this one's been set to prompt for the target to verify the correct target weight for that ingredient, and that requires a passcode entry. We can either press enter to accept the standard value, or we can type in a new value. So I'll just type in 1.1 there, which can be reflected in the actual display. So again, we'll put the load on there, and once we're in range, press the start key to accept, and that's the end of the recipe. We're now going to do a demonstration of some of the error handling, so we'll pick up the same product. Now this time for the first ingredient we'll scan in the wrong ingredient, which gives us the error message there, so press any key to scan in again. This time correct ingredient but wrong batch code, and that comes up with the relevant message on the screen. So let's go back to the correct scan, and that takes us on to the item. So first of all, let's do an underweight. So we'll put on the load there and try pressing the accept key with an underweight, and it tells us we're out of tolerance. If we don't want to continue, we can press the no key, and that takes us back to complete it. Otherwise, if we want to continue on, we press yes, then we need to enter the password to accept that. So let's put in the next ingredient. This time we'll go overweight, but we'll come back within range, try and accept that, but it tells us that we've previously exceeded the overweight limit, and again the same process applies. If we want to accept that, we need to key in the password to progress on to the next ingredient.